The Chapter 2 performance task is somewhat of a simple one that's going to ask you to do a few calculations or to look at some graphs or representations and to fill in some blanks and then make a calculation. So it's going to start with a one-dimensional object, basically a number line where you're going to have an beginning x point and a second x point, and you need to find the middle of those 2 points, which is basically the average of the 2 points added together. So in this case, you're going to fill in the blank for x1 and x2, and then you're going to calculate by adding x1 and x2 together and dividing by 2 to find m, your midpoint. Here it's important to remember that you're adding a negative number to a positive number. So those things will end up being important to remember your signs and how those are calculated. Next, we're going to move to the next step, which is having 2 points or a two-dimensional system. You're going to use both x and y values. So the first thing you're going to do is fill in the points for point 1, the x value and the y value. The axes are labeled for you, so you should be able to get the x and y values labeled correctly. Next, you're going to find the midpoint by calculating the average of the x values and the average of the y values, and your answer will be reflected as an ordered pair, x and y. We're going to take that one step farther. So we're going to have 3 variables in this. We're going to have x, y, and a third one, which of course is going to be the next letter after y. So you're going to fill in the blanks of how many dimensions the system is, how many variables there are, naming the variables, and then the ordered. It won't be a pair, so it'd be ordered triplet, and you're going to fill in the numbers for the orders as well as the value number or place number. You're going to calculate the midpoint by finding the average of all of those variables, and you're going to represent it in the same way. This one doesn't require you to do a lot of explanation. It just has you thinking a little bit outside the box when you go to the x, y, and z variables.